it's Kristen here, Sports Dietitian, Certified Personal Trainer, and founder of Elite Nutrition Performance. And I am talking to you today from the beautiful outdoors, actually my front porch, as you can probably see here. And so I want to talk to you today about the benefits of being outside and how that affects our overall health. So I talk a lot about nutrition and how that relates to health and performance. Obviously, since I'm a sports dietitian, that's what I do. But one of the things that I don't really talk a lot about is mental health. I do talk about eating disorders and body image and things along those lines because that does directly relate to nutrition, but your mental health really does actually relate to your overall nutrition. I hear clients say all the time, once I start exercising or once I, am less stressed, I actually start eating better and I start feeling better and I'm, healthier. I'm actually performing better, all these things. And so that's what mental health does to us. If we have a poor mental health, it's going to affect everything. It's the trickle down effect. And it's the same thing if we have good mental health. If we are taking care of ourselves mentally in a good way, we are really paying attention to how our bodies feel and how, everything else is playing into that with our mental health, then we will notice a trend. And so I'm actually working today. I came outside on my front porch just to honestly stand here and just walk around my yard a little bit. I picked some raspberries and some blueberries because it helps me. It's always helped me to just de-stress a little bit, calm down, and clear my thinking a little bit. I used to actually walk my dog several times a day when I was actually starting my business because it helped me to de-stress. And so I want to talk to you guys about that today and what the benefits are of getting outside. If you do not train outside, I highly, highly recommend that you do it. Even if you're not like a runner or an endurance athlete, if you like to lift weights, go outside and lift weights. I actually have a TRX hooked up to my kid's swing set and I love working out on my TRX outside. It just makes me feel so much better. I actually am more productive in my workout. I actually train harder and I will work out longer because I just feel better with being outside. Now you have to take into consideration the weather, if it's storming outside or if it's really, really hot, then, maybe you want to work out in the morning or sometime where it's not raining or storming or whatever. But being outside on a day like today where it's blue skies and sunny and beautiful, take full advantage. So being outside is going to help to do a number of things. It's going to improve our mood. It's going to help improve our concentration, improve our focus and memory. It's going to help to reduce stress levels. It actually can help you sleep better. And the biggest thing related to nutrition is vitamin D. Being out in the sun is going to help you to soak up vitamin D. Did you know that you can actually get your full day's worth of vitamin D in just 30 minutes of being outside in the sun in peak hours, which is between 10 and 2? That's it, 30 minutes. And you're set for the whole day of vitamin D. And you actually can stock up on vitamin D for the whole winter by being outside 30 minutes a day during the spring and the summer. And you're good to go. Now, that doesn't mean that I wouldn't focus on foods that contain vitamin D, but what I'm saying is you get in a lot of vitamin D in a short amount of time of just being outside. So there's multiple benefits. So some activities of things that you can do outside is if you have animals, be outside. Like, for example, I have this snoozing dog here on my front porch. I have my garden behind me. We have a number of fruit bushes and fruit trees around our property that I like to go around and pick. We have a lot of wild things growing on our property, and so I like to go out and forage. I'm outside with my kids playing on their swing sets or, watching them ride their bikes or going for a walk. Any of these things you can do, even if you don't have a garden. Just go outside and you can stand, or like I said, exercise outside. Plenty of things that you can do outside to get the benefit. And it really only takes 10 minutes to de-stress outside, even just a couple minutes, but to get that full benefit of the vitamin D, cumulative, you want 30 minutes over the course of the day. Check out my blog on the health benefits of vitamin D and how that affects your performance. And thanks for watching, guys. And please pass this on because who doesn't want to improve their mental health? Have a good rest of the day.